Welcome to our roundup of the best tablet options available right now. Whether you're looking for a tablet for productivity, entertainment, online classes, creative work, or everyday browsing, we've selected top-rated tablets that balance performance, display quality, battery life, and overall value. In this video, we'll break down what really matters, things like screen size and resolution, processor performance, software experience, battery endurance, storage options, and extra features like keyboards, stylus support, and connectivity. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which tablet fits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's jump right in. The first on the list is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is designed for users who want a dependable, premium-feeling tablet without going all the way into flagship pricing. Right away, it stands out with its large, immersive display, reliable Samsung performance, and long-lasting battery life, making it a great option for students, families, and casual users alike. The tablet features a spacious screen that's perfect for watching videos, attending online classes, reading documents, or browsing the web comfortably. Colors look vibrant, text appears sharp, and the viewing angles are excellent, which is exactly what you want for extended use. Under the hood, Samsung has optimized the hardware and software pairing to deliver smooth everyday performance. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels responsive, and switching between browsing, streaming, and productivity apps is seamless. For students, this tablet works well for note-taking, research, and video calls, while casual users will enjoy how effortlessly it handles social media, YouTube, and light gaming. The One UI interface adds a clean, user-friendly layer on top of Android, offering useful features like split-screen multitasking and Samsung's ecosystem integration. Overall, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is a solid all-rounder that delivers a smooth user experience, dependable performance, and Samsung's trusted build quality, making it an excellent choice for everyday tablet users. Next up is the JGJK Android 15 tablet with keyboard. This tablet is built for users who want flexibility and productivity at an affordable price point. From the start, it impresses with Android 15 out of the box, a bundled keyboard for productivity, and strong multitasking capability. The inclusion of the latest Android version means you're getting modern features, improved security, and better performance optimization right away, which is something budget tablets often lack. The display offers a comfortable viewing experience for work and entertainment. Whether you're typing documents, attending virtual meetings, or watching videos, the screen provides enough clarity and brightness for daily tasks. What really makes this tablet stand out is the included keyboard. It instantly transforms the tablet into a mini laptop, making it ideal for students, remote workers, or anyone who needs to type emails, assignments, or reports on the go. Performance-wise, the tablet handles everyday workloads surprisingly well. Apps run smoothly, multitasking is manageable, and Android 15's improved background app management helps keep things responsive. The tablet is also well-suited for light creative tasks like basic photo editing or note-taking. Battery life is dependable, allowing you to work or study for hours without constantly worrying about charging. Overall, the JGJK Android 15 tablet with keyboard is a great value option for users who want a productivity-focused tablet experience without spending a premium price. Next, we have the TabWi Android 16 tablet. The TabWi tablet is all about future-ready software and balanced performance. Its biggest highlights include Android 16 support, a smooth and responsive display, and efficient power management. Having Android 16 gives this tablet a big advantage in terms of longevity, ensuring compatibility with future apps and updates while delivering refined system performance. The display is designed to be easy on the eyes, making it suitable for long reading sessions, video streaming, and online learning. Colors are well-balanced and scrolling feels smooth, which enhances the overall user experience. This tablet performs well for everyday activities like browsing, streaming, online classes, and casual gaming without feeling sluggish or outdated. One of the standout aspects of the TabWi tablet is its efficiency. The system is optimized to manage power consumption effectively, allowing the battery to last through extended use. This makes it a reliable option for students or professionals who need a tablet that can keep up throughout the day. Multitasking is handled well, and switching between apps feels smooth thanks to the optimized Android 16 environment. Overall, the Tabwi Android 16 tablet is a forward-looking option that combines modern software, solid performance, and dependable battery life, making it a smart choice for users who want a tablet that stays relevant for years. Next, at number 2, we have the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro. The IdeaTab Pro is built for users who want premium performance without stepping into ultra-expensive flagship territory. It shines with its high-resolution display, powerful performance for multitasking, and excellent audio experience. From the moment you turn it on, the display grabs attention with sharp details and rich colors, making it ideal for watching movies, editing documents, or creative work. Performance is where the IdeaTab Pro really delivers. It handles demanding apps, multitasking, and even more intensive workloads with ease. Whether you're working with multiple apps at once, attending virtual meetings, or enjoying graphics-heavy games, this tablet remains smooth and responsive. Lenovo's software optimizations keep the experience clean and efficient without unnecessary clutter. Audio quality is another major highlight. The speakers are loud, clear, and well-balanced, making this tablet excellent for entertainment and video calls. Battery life supports long working or entertainment sessions, and fast charging ensures you're not stuck waiting too long when you need a quick top-up. Overall, the IdeaTab Pro is an excellent choice for power users who want strong performance, a stunning display, and immersive audio in a refined package. The last one on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. This tablet takes the top spot thanks to its outstanding balance of performance, display quality, and everyday usability. Its key strengths include a large, smooth display, strong Snapdragon-powered performance, and excellent battery endurance. The display offers a fluid and immersive experience, making everything from scrolling social media to watching videos feel smooth and enjoyable. Performance is where the Tab A9 Plus truly excels. Powered by a capable chipset, it handles multitasking, productivity apps, and entertainment effortlessly. Whether you're using split-screen mode, attending online classes, or running multiple apps at once, the experience remains fast and reliable. Samsung's One UI adds useful features that enhance productivity and ease of use. Battery life easily lasts through a full day of heavy use, making it perfect for students, professionals, and families. The speakers deliver rich, clear sound, enhancing movies, music, and video calls. The overall design feels modern and durable, and Samsung's long-term software support adds extra value for users who want a tablet that lasts for years. So that wraps up our complete breakdown of the best tablets you can choose from right now. If this video helped you narrow down the right tablet for your needs, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more detailed and honest tech guides like this one. All product links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.